Hello everyone, the team is back with one of its blockbuster indicators of all the time, which is gonna suit all kind of traders. The team has come up with combination of two different indicators to give you double confirmation for all of your trades. So let's start with both of the blockbuster indicators. The first one namely VIP Block Hunter and the second one Ultra Zone Hunter. Okay, so as you can see a text box which I have marked, the combination of VIP block plus ultra zones would give you the strong signals which occur rarely. Okay, so as I have turned on the VIP block hunter and in ultra zone hunter settings, you got to change the settings. In zone visibility, you just have to check show ultra zones and uncheck all remaining three zones. Click on OK. As you can see, ultra zones, strong bull zones, and combination of two. So now I have opened Bitcoin chart, which is of 3 minutes. Now as you can see here, ultra zone as well as the combination of strong bear zones, which is VIP block hunter zones. The combination of both the zones has to be considered the strong plus rare zone where you can directly initialize your trade. Now as you can see, before this zone there is only a strong bull OB zone where ultra zones has not been formed. So I would recommend do not start your trade over here. Before this, as you can see, strong bull OB as well as ultra bull zone, both the combination has been formed. So here it shows that this zone is a stronger zone, and at the closing of this candle, the very next candle, you can just initialize your trade and marking the stop loss at the lowest of the zones. So this was about VIP block plus ultra zones. At the end of the video, I would explain how this indicator is gonna help the day traders, swing traders, as well as long traders. So now coming to the Grail zones, which are stronger plus rarer. For this, you can just hide the VIP block hunter zones, and in ultra zones hunter settings, just uncheck the show ultra zones and check show the Grail zones. There you go. Now as you can see, most of the zones has vanished, and as you can see over here, the Grail zone, bear zone. At this candle, once the zone has been formed, initialize your trade at the very next candle's closing. I can just show you by replay. Yes. So now, as you can see, after this candle closing, the Grail zone has been formed. So for this candle closing, you just have to initialize your trade, marking the high of this zone as your stop loss. So now, as you can see, there you go with this trade. So this was about the Grail zone. Now coming to the next and the blockbuster zones, which are with infinity zones. Before coming to this, the trade which I have showed you right away is the live trade going into the market, and I would recommend while you initialize your trade, your next profit booking has to be occurred at 1:2 profit ratio. Then you can trade your stop loss accordingly. So now let's come to the most powerful with infinity zones, As you can see, these are strongest plus rarest. For this, in the indicator settings, you just have to uncheck the Grail zones and check with infinity zones. Okay, so yes, the same Grail zone, as you can see in the live market, has even formed and with infinity zone. Yes, so I think so. I would be definitely initializing my trade over here because I have got a double confirmation with the with infinity as well as the Grail zones. So yes, these zones occur very rarely, and these zones has the highest accuracy of all the zones. So let us consider another example. I'm opening the gold chart right now. Okay, with a 3 minutes time frame. Yes, perfect. So now, as you can see, yes, looks perfect. Yeah. So as you can see, this was the last time gold has formed a with infinity in 3 minutes chart. So once this trade has been initialized, you can watch over here what's exactly the profit ratio. I would recommend for with infinity zones, as these are the rarest one, you can target for the higher targets such as 1:3, 4, 5 accordingly. And I would definitely say that these zones requires a lot of patience because these are one of the rarest zones, so you would find in a very less number. And definitely, as you can see, after the initializer of your trade, it has never come to the zone and it's still in the profit ratio. Let's calculate the profit ratio. Okay, yes, it's good. Haha. So there you go. If I even calculate over here, as you can see, it has given me a risk reward of 1:40. So definitely the with infinity zone has given a blockbuster trade, as I have said you earlier. And you can even see the previous trades. Let's come into it. Yes, yeah, there you go. Let's consider the higher time frame, not an issue. Yeah, higher the time frame, lesser number of zones, and the more stronger zones. As you can see, the trade was initialized over here. Yes, and it has never come back to the zone again, and it's still bullish from the very particular zone. Yeah, there you go. So before closing, as I have said you at the end of the video, I would definitely let you know how it's gonna help day, swing and long-term traders. For day traders, use the time frame from 1 to 5 minutes. For swing traders, go with 15 to 30 minutes, and for long, go with 1 hour and 4 hour minutes time frame charts. These are my recommendations. You can go with any of those according to your convenience. And I would definitely suggest, if you have to bring change into your trading style, definitely give a try for this indicator. For access of these indicators, you can ping me for the given below link in the description box. Thank you. Have a good bye. Happy trading.